All right, we're going to go ahead and review the Pathfinder trade of the day, brought to you by Pathfinder Trading. Stay patient, keep it simple, stay disciplined, and the gains will come. It's true. Trading needs to be simple. It needs to be so simple. And remember, we don't get paid to work, we get paid to wait. So today, the trade of the day was actually on the Dow. So the Dow had an amazing trade today. As you can see here on Pathfinder, we had blue candles. We actually took two trades. We won both, and we won one overnight as well. So we had a double whammy on the Dow. We actually took this buy last night on the Dow right here and woke up to some serious profits this morning, and then we re-entered down here to take it back up to these highs. It was fantastic. Now, the Dow produced this awesome trade because, again, we have bright blue candles. You can see my channel is pointing upwards. We have a blue order block here, which is where smart money keeps their money. So we're taking buys only. We're waiting for patience. Last night, the play came right here. I told the team when this thing dips below our little pivot level, buy. So we got in right here and enjoyed an entire night full of profits. When it finally did pull back here, you can see it pulled back to the halfway of the channel and the order block, dipping just below this pivot right here, which is why we got in right here for, again, straight gains back up to the top. Now, I had things I had to do today, so I exited out. I did not hold for the equal or higher high, but I had team members who did. In fact, we had team members today that grew their accounts by over $10,000 today in one day, which is tremendous. It was a phenomenal day. So we had two great trades here on Pathfinder. This gave us a perfect setup. And then again on the Nasdaq, we got in right here on this candle at the low. The market pushes. You had the opportunity to add more right here. You could see that PSI was overextended. We rode that thing all the way up again, back up to the top. Now, I ran out of time again today, so I exited out on this push right here. And I actually took another one. I did it on this other one right here. You can see I got out here and it re-entered here again and took it back up here. On that one because I was trading down on this minis versus the micros. So you can see those entries here on these accounts. So those were the trades of the day. The Dow and the Nasdaq. I had been saying all week, I think Thursday is going to be our runner day where we're just going to run for highs all day. And it did exactly that. I warned the team. I said, don't trade gold, silver, platinum today. Today's not the day. That was earlier in the week. And sure enough, all of these are red and just sitting, resting, not doing anything. So remember, trading is about timing. And also, if you're interested in trading, you do not need to use your own money. There are ways to get into trading with very little capital of your own. This is not some game where you need to have thousands and thousands of dollars. You literally can start with $100 to $200 of your own money, learn the skill set, and you can compound this to millions of dollars. I will show you what the path is. Hope you enjoyed this video and the trades of the day. I'll see you in the next one.